peaches. One whole peach and one cut open halfway. So now we have the peaches drawn. We're going to lay down the first layer of color. First, yellow and crimson red and ultramarine blue that forms beautiful purple colors on the whole peach. Now on the cut open one, just a little bit light yellow for the flash, and most of the color is going to be still on the skin side of the peach. And remember, we're just simply laying down the base layer of the colors, and once the color dries, it will kind of fades off more. And there, we'll let it dry. So now as it dries on the first layer, we're going to add in the texture of the peach. You know, the very ripe red color of the peach with a texture. And I'm trying my best to leave the highlight of the peach. And sometimes it does not always work for me, and I'm still working on that quite a bit. Flash highlights. The highlights is used as a raw sienna and burnt amber to layer them in. The core of the peaches is layered through these two colors, and that really gives the sharp contrast of the peach. And now the peach is mostly done, and we're just adding some background using the color that we already been using for the painting to add some background color, and now adding the shadow. Dark of the shadow is mixed with crimson red and burnt sienna with ultramarine blue to add into the to create this really dark shadow right under the peach, and use the water to stretch out the color, and then get some opaque ink to add highlight back in there. And voila! Hope you liked the tutorial. Subscribe and like my video, and hoping to see you next time.